National PSI Exam Prep, Unit 11, Real Estate Math Review, page 85. Number 1, Solution. The timeline is July 1st through September 30th. With 30 days in each month, the total days are 90. For a bill paid in advance, the buyer will always owe the seller BOS. So calculate the buyer's part. The buyer's first day is August 18th. Buyer's days equal 30 minus 17 in August equal 13 plus 30 for September equals 43 days. Seller already paid, so buyer owes seller debit buyer. 101.2 divided by 90 equals $1.12 per day multiplied by 43 days equals $48.35. Answer choice A is correct. Number 6, practice question number 3. A. Taxes on a home will be paid in arrears on January 1st of next year. The taxes for the preceding year were $1,200, with the sale closing on April 15th, with the buyer having the day of closing and using a 365-day year. How will taxes be handled at closing? A. $858.08 debit buyer, $858.08 debit seller. B. $861.37 credit seller, $861.37 debit buyer. C. $338.63 credit seller, $338.63 credit buyer. Or D. $341.92 debit seller, $341.92 credit buyer. 1. Solution. For bills paid in arrears, the seller will always owe the buyer, SOB, because the buyer will pay the entire tax bill next year. The buyer is owed the seller's portion for the time the seller occupied the property. The seller's time is January 1st through April 15th. 31 plus 28 plus 31 plus 14 equals 104 days. $1,200 divided by 365 equals $3.29 per day. Leave answer in calculator to avoid rounding. Multiplied by 104 days equals $341.92. Seller owes this amount to the buyer, who will pay the entire bill later. Debit the seller, $341.92. Answer choice D is correct. Roman numeral 7, Appraisal and Valuation. A. Appreciation and depreciation. Number 1, practice question. A. A home is located in an area that has declined in value by 10% over the last 3 years. If the home was bought 3 years ago for $185,000, what would be its estimated current value based on this information? A. $205,000, B. $166,500, C. $129,000, or D. $179,600. Figure 11.15. Circle formula for appreciation and depreciation. It shows the capital letter A on the top half of the circle, over per on the bottom quarter, multiplied by B on the right quarter. End of page.